In a vast, endless ocean, a small anchovy named Archie swam. He was the smallest of his school, but he had a spirit that was as big as the sea itself. One day, a mighty storm swept across the ocean. The waves rose high, and Archie found himself caught in a tumultuous whirlpool. His friends swam away, leaving him behind. As the whirlpool pulled him deeper, Archie felt a sudden calmness wash over him. He realized that he was not alone. A wise old octopus named Ollie, whom Archie had once helped when he was lost, appeared by his side. "Don't be afraid, Archie," Ollie said. "I'm here to guide you." Ollie led Archie through the whirlpool, showing him that even in the darkest times, there is a way out. They emerged in a calm, peaceful lagoon. "You see, Archie," Ollie explained, "the world is full of storms, but it's also full of people and creatures like you, who are willing to help. You just have to be brave and hold on to hope." Archie thanked Ollie and swam back to his home, knowing that he could face any storm because he was not alone. He realized that even the smallest anchovy could make a difference. From that day on, Archie faced every challenge with courage and hope. He never forgot the lesson he learned from Ollie, that even in the darkest times, help is always near, and that no one is ever truly alone. The moral of the story is that no matter how small or insignificant we may seem, we all have the power to make a difference, and that in times of need, help is always near.